This is a Hi-Point C9 9mm. Now I've had Hi-Point carbines and been generally pleased with them. You know, the 40 caliber carbine that I got not long ago, I initially had some difficulties with it. Sent it into the factory and they fixed it, and it's been flawless ever since. But I've generally had favorable results from the Hi-Point carbines. And most of the things that I read about the Hi-Point carbines is favorable. But I've heard a lot of bad things over the years about Hi-Point pistols. And before I bought this one, I don't think I had ever even fired a Hi-Point pistol. Now, I've read a lot of comments, even from people who have Hi-Point carbines and like them. A lot of those same people don't have any respect for Hi-Point pistols, and they say that the carbines are good, but the pistols are junk. And since I've got this one, just looking at it, I really don't think there's a whole lot of difference from what I can tell. I don't see a lot of difference between the carbine and the pistol as far as the way they're made and the overall level of quality. So I saw this one recently for dirt cheap, and it was used, and I went ahead and got it because, you know, the warranty and everything. It's, you know, it's a cheap pistol and it's got an awesome warranty. And now pistols do cost a bit more to ship back to the factory if you need to. You pretty much need to go through where I sent my 40 caliber carbine back to the factory, and I was able to just mail it directly to the factory. And that cost just a little bit over $20. And you know, insured for the value of it and everything. Not a problem. But you can't mail a pistol if you don't hold an FFL. Just as an individual, even though you're sending it back to the factory, you can't send it through the mail. You have to send it through common carrier. And I've done that before, and it costs a lot more money. So if you have to send a pistol back to the factory, you're better off taking it to an FFL and have them send it for you, because it'll cost a lot less money. Probably about $30. Oh, $30 or $40 maybe. So, but the good thing about it is, if you can work on them, and I can, then if something breaks or whatever, wears out or what have you, you can call the factory, and chances are they'll just send you the parts. And that won't cost you anything at all. So, based on that, I decided it was worth paying the small price to get this. And so, we're going to test it. Not loaded. Okay, so what we're going to do is, we've got 8 rounds here. That's the 8-round magazine. And these are pretty random. And we're going to start with, we've got 2 different varieties of cast bullets. These round nose and this conical point. We've got 2 with a round nose and 1 conical. We've got 2 varieties of Full Metal Jacket. One is 124 grain and one is a 115 grain. They look the same, but they actually are different. Okay, and we've got 3 varieties of hollow points. And this one I bought at a local shop, and it was marked as 124 grain gold dot hollow point plus P. And so we know that's a plus P load, but it was in a plastic bag. It wasn't in factory packaging. So, you know, who actually loaded this, if CCI loaded it or whoever, I don't know. And this one, some kind of factory load, jacketed hollow point, but I'm not sure what it is. And this one, I definitely don't know what it is. Got them from a friend, but it's some kind of jacketed hollow point. Probably a plus P. So we're going to load that variety of ammo in the magazine and see how it works. So we'll put the 2 round nose cast bullets in first, so they'll come out last. We will put the 2 full metal jackets in next. Put the conical cast bullet in. And the 3 hollow points. And we're going to put that gold dot hollow point up first. It's noticeably longer than the rest of them, but hopefully that won't cause any issues. Okay, safety on. And let me point it downrange here. Put my ears on. Okay. Alright, so here we go. Function test with various varieties of ammo. So that was it, 8 rounds. No malfunctions. Can't complain about that.